Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because I'm going to be showing you guys my bloxburg house, and I'm really excited because actually I've been working on this for a long, and I mean a long time. So let's go. So I'm gonna have to join into bloxburg. I call it bloxburg, and though I know it's bloxburg. Oh, my friend is here. Anyways, I thought she was in neighborhood. I thought. Alright. So I'm not gonna show you guys as much as you can already see, I bet. So let's just kind of walking over here because I don't want you guys really to see it. Okay, here it is. Oh my god, I love it a lot. Okay, that's odd. One sec, you guys. I'm sorry that this had to happen. I'm really not knowing why I have Okay, anyways, much better. Alright, so let's show you guys around. Sorry, my mood's down. I don't have enough V-Bucks to boost it up, and I don't have enough time to boost it up. Oh, I forgot. I haven't paid my bills. I'm gonna go pay those. Because I don't want you guys to not see it properly. So, yeah. Alright, so this is the garage. I have my car, which the coloring is, awful. I have my, mountain bike. I still have it black because I like black. I might make it dark purple. I have a stroller, and I don't know what are these called. I don't know. It's like a red wagon. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Anyways, let's go. I also have that blue stroller. And I had this thought of keeping a kind of grassy area back here and kind of over here. So I made this really small area, like a swing. And I think it's adorable. You can just swing on it. And I have this little mat just in case my kids are swinging really high and they just fall. They can at least fall and just I fell off. At least they fell on the mat. And then I have some plants. I think they're adorable. I have some more. And I haven't colored everything, as you can tell. The walls are barely colored. Only a few of them are. So let's go head off inside. I have these really cute outdoor lights. They're really adorable. Anyways, let's go inside. And let's go ahead and turn on these lights. It's so bright. I swear. It's really bright. Okay. So let's start over here. I kind of have a little area. I have some plates, and I have cabinets and counters. I have my blender. I have some coffee maker, and I also have more counters. I have my stove, and then I also have more counters, and then I have a little sink. Maybe want to wash my hands. I really don't get why they want you to brush your teeth at the sink. Bathroom sinks is fine, but kitchen sink, And anyways, then I also have some more cabinets over there. And then I also have this little light up there. And I also love this. It's kind of like those, how do I say this? Counter seats. You can sit on this little counter. And then I have two of those seats for me and a child, or if the child's too young. And then I have a really cute plant. This is the dining room. Let me turn on the lights. It's kind of like this. I have some wooden chairs and a wood table. I have this really cute plant that I was actually also put out here. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if they're the exact same. I'm pretty sure they are. And they also have this little cute thing. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's kind of like a little table where you can keep the keys and stuff. So I just have a flower pot there over there because I didn't really know what to put there. I might add some books. I don't know. I didn't show you show you guys, but I have this really cute mat. You guys can really just see it if I turn off my lights for the living room. So yeah, let me go turn this on. Okay. Oh my god, my eyes. Here, I'm gonna turn these ones off because I feel like you don't need too much. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn on one. Okay. So, I forgot to show you guys this part. It's also part of the kitchen. This is where my fridge is. If you guys were wondering, where's the lady's fridge? And then I have more cabinets over there. I have this kind of cabinet, and then my microwave in here. And then I have a dishwasher because I'm really lazy to do the dishes. Yes. And then I have my little couch, kind of living room. I have my TV, and I was so glad that I was able to find a flat screen. Because before I was thinking of putting kind of a coffee table here behind the stairs, and I was that probably looks really ugly. And I definitely am so happy I got a flat screen that I can actually place on the wall. So I'm like really glad about that. So yeah, and I am improving on it because I want to kind of like a little coffee table right here, add a remote, because they do come with remotes, so you don't have to go all the way over there and press E, or if you're on a computer, and I really don't know. So this is the upstairs. So from here you can go upstairs, and then I have this glass kind of railing because I don't want kids to fall off. This is the kids' room. I have my favorite kind of doors. They are these kind of like, you can like, and how do I say this? They are kind of like rolly doors. So instead of like them opening like a different way, they kind of just roll like that. And anyways, this is the kids' room. The bed isn't made. Let me just quickly make that for you guys. Yes. Well, let's just look around. I also have this really cute window. I should be able to close the blinds. I don't know. Anyways, okay. So I have this window. I have my little closet. I have the cute little boys' bed. I am wondering on color if I should color the walls or not. I really am just thinking. I have some books because like I want my child to be educated. So I have that book if he wants to read. I have a ukulele because he takes music classes. And then I gave him like a window in his room because I thought maybe he wants to look outside, or she wants to look outside to see if her friends are out or his friends are out. And yeah, so, oh God. I hate that there's such less space to walk around, but you know, it's all right. My kids walk in the bed anyways. So this is the, like, I think only bathroom in this house. Yeah, it's the only bathroom in this house, which is very odd. So I have this little bath, and don't mind the little floor cutting. I have to fix that. I never noticed that it was there until I was downstairs in the kitchen, and I saw that my roof had a little hole. Because you can probably see, most of you probably can't see, but that leads downstairs to the kitchen. So I have this little bathtub. Maybe I'll really quick use it a little, because I look real stinky. That's better. Okay, so I have a little toilet over here. I have some toilet paper. I have the lights to this, the bathroom, and then I also have my sink. Well, let's head to my favorite room of all, the master bedroom. So this is my office because I was like, where am I supposed to work? So I really like this little area that I can like kind of work. Like I'm kind of an author, I guess, because that's the most educated thing in this computer or the TV. No, not in the TV because you can't really write a book. So yeah, I have my 30th like reward thingamajig. I have some papers back there if you guys can see that. I have my pans, and most workers, like ladies, a lot drink coffee. Like I've noticed a lot of people do, but I mean not everybody. Anyways, so I have this little crib just in case I ever have, you know, a baby. But I guess I can't do that. This is my master bed. It's pretty big, and I like the bed sheet. And I mean, I also play ukulele because like I like, instead of wasting my own money, because I also use it to build, and I actually use most of my money for building. I can't pay for his classes. Well, I mean, I will be able to soon once I make money. So yeah. So instead, I am always usually on my computer every Wednesday, and I'm learning more lessons of how to teach him to play the ukulele. So I sit here and learn myself, and then I teach him. So I also like this window seat because I have a little window so I can like look outside, maybe play the ukulele and stuff. And I think it's adorable. Let's show you guys. So that's my skills. I think it's nice. Anyways, that's pretty much it for the house. There is one more thing I'm going to show you guys, which is the backyard. Now, my doors, like as I was saying, those ones are kind of like rolly doors, so they just kind of open and close like that. But my downstairs door, this one, you have to kind of open it like that. So let's give you a tour. Over here, so the other day, I don't remember when, like a few days ago, I was playing Bloxburg, and this lady comes up to me in her car, and just randomly has food in her hand, and she's like, "Do you want some?" And I was like, "I mean, sure, because we are neighbors, and we love giving each other food." So she dropped me off these really cute, kind of like spidery, I'm gonna call cupcakes. Yeah, they are cupcakes. I know that. They were in the Halloween update, and they're really cool. I really like them. So let me just place that. Why am I sitting? I want to place these. because I really don't want to like eat them. But I mean, why do I keep on taking them? I don't want to take them. Exactly, I must place it somewhere. I'm trying to place these. Okay, take a portion. All right, I just took one. Let's try it out because I actually didn't get the chance to try it. That was actually really good. Yum. So this is my backyard. It's nice. I really like this outdoorsy theme table that I found. It was really cheap and it was not too expensive, and I really liked it because like if me and my kids want to like be outside or kind of like eat there, I really like it's like outdoorsy theme, so like it's not more of the fancy inside ones. I like it because, you know, it's outdoorsy and it matches kind of like the backyard whole idea. So I have a not too deep pool because most of my kids are really young and I don't want them to have to be swimming in a pool. But once they get older, swimming, of course I want them to learn how to swim. I don't want them to learn how to swim the hard way by swimming in a deep pool. So I made that really not deep. I made it really shallow. And once they become older, I will change that to a deeper, better, cooler kind of pool. So yeah, okay, that's one thing. I have this little trick because I'm not a fan of swimming. I like to just watch on my, read newspapers and magazines here, and when, one of my kids drowns, I quickly jump into the pool and, help them. That's why it's really shallow, but I couldn't get a shallower pool for one of my youngest daughters, and she's actually only a toddler. So, yeah. So this is my soccer net because my kids love soccer, and they were like, in our new house, can we please have a soccer net? And I was like, fine, because I actually was able to get these soccer nets for not too expensive. $100 was for one soccer net, and the ball was only $70, I think. Yeah, because these are advanced, and they are actually go to soccer classes a lot these days. So yeah, they love kicking the ball, making goals. I'm not that bad at soccer myself. I'm not that bad at soccer myself. I love soccer. It's really fun. Look, that was my second goal. No, don't make the ball go in the pool. Well, looks like the ball went in the pool, and that's really annoying. Anyways, well, that's pretty much it for the house. I didn't probably tell you that I do also have a doorbell. You probably saw me because I was jumping on the net. I went over the fence like that. How do I do this? I went over the fence and I'm trying to get back up. Well, how do I do that? When I want to get back up, I go, don't get up. And then when I want to not go up, I go up. So I just remembered I had a door. So I went through my fence door. So yeah. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, or the house tour, I guess. Bloxburg house tour. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to subscribe and have an awesome day. Goodbye.